Ford Mustang 400 is a beast born from muscle car tradition and raw American power. While the original Mustang didn't come with a factory 400 cubic inch engine, many enthusiasts have swapped in Ford's 400 big block V8 to create a one-of-a-kind performance monster that blends classic styling with serious muscle. Most commonly, this setup is seen in custom builds based on the late 60s or early 70s Mustangs. The 400 engine, originally used in full-size Fords and trucks, brings brutal low-end torque and that deep V8 rumble muscle car fans love. When dropped into a Mustang, it transforms the car into a street machine with serious attitude. The 400 cubic inch engine can produce over 350 to 450 horsepower depending on tuning and modifications. Paired with performance headers, a custom intake, and modern fuel delivery, this setup provides thrilling acceleration, tire shredding power, and a driving experience that feels raw and mechanical, just like a real muscle car should. On the outside, most 400-equipped Mustangs keep their vintage looks. Fastback bodies, aggressive front grills, racing stripes, and staggered wheels. But under the hood, it's a different story. These builds are about honoring history while upgrading performance to modern standards. The Mustang 400 isn't factory. It's attitude, style, and horsepower all rolled into one. It's for drivers who want to stand out, who crave power, and who respect the golden age of muscle while making it their own. Whether roaring down the strip or stealing the spotlight at a car meet, the Ford Mustang 400 is a symbol of what happens when old-school muscle meets modern passion.